Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that what I'm sharing here is based on my personal experience with this service. Today we're taking a look at Spotloan, a short-term loan provider found at spotloan.com. Short-term loans can be a useful tool in a pinch, but it's crucial to understand how they work and to choose a reputable lender. This overview explores Spotloan's features, benefits, and potential drawbacks to help you make an informed decision. I'll be discussing things like loan amounts, repayment terms, interest rates, eligibility requirements, and the application process. Remember, borrowing responsibly is essential, so I encourage you to carefully consider your financial situation and explore all available options before making a commitment. It's important to remember that short-term loans are designed for temporary financial needs and shouldn't be used as a long-term financial solution. Spotloan might be a good fit for some, but it's not the right solution for everyone. I'll try to cover as much ground as possible so you can determine whether Spotloan is the right fit for you. Be sure to do your own research and comparison shopping to find the best loan option for your individual circumstances. There are many options out there, and it pays to be informed. As I mentioned, all the relevant links are down below in the description. I hope this overview helps you navigate the world of short-term lending and empowers you to make the best financial choices. Remember, responsible borrowing is key. So, take your time, do your homework, and weigh all the pros and cons before you decide.